morning, friends. First of all, I would like to wish happy 74th Independence Day of India. I am going to read out the address by the Honorable President of India on the eve of 74th Independence Day. My dear fellow citizens, Namaskar. It gives me great pleasure to greet all the people of India living in the country and abroad on the eve of the 74th Independence Day. August 15 fills us with the excitement of unfurling the tricolor, taking part in celebrations and listening to the patriotic songs. On this day, the youth of India should feel the special pride of being citizen of a free nation. Dear fellow citizens, the celebrations of Independence Day this year will be rather restrained. The reason is obvious. The whole world confronts a deadly virus which has disrupted all activities and taken a huge toll. It has altered the world we lived in before the pandemic. The nation is indebted to doctors, nurses, and other health workers who have been continuously on the forefront of our fight against this virus. Unfortunately, many of them have lost their lives battling the pandemic. They are our national heroes. All corona warriors deserve high praise. They go much beyond their call of duty to save lives and ensure essential services. The world now realizes that what our sages had said long ago: the global community is but one family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. However, even while the world community needs to fight together against the greatest challenge before humanity, some in our neighborhood try to carry out their misadventure of expansion. Our brave soldiers laid down their lives defending our borders. Those worthy sons of Bharat Mata lived and died for national pride. With a view to providing futuristic education to our children and youth, the central government has decided to implement the national education policy. I am confident that with the implementation of this policy, a new quality education system will be developed, and this will transform the future challenges to opportunities, paving the way for a new India. We have a lot to offer to the global community, especially for intellectual and spiritual enrichment and promotion of world peace. With this spirit, I offer a prayer for the well-being of one and all. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukh bhag bhavet. It means, may all be happy, may all be free from illness, may all see what is auspicious, may no one come to grief. The message of this prayer for universal well-being is India's unique gift to humanity. I once again congratulate you on the eve of 74th Independence Day. I wish you good health and bright future. Thank you. Jai Hind.